Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the BizQuest scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify. It's used to automatically collect business for sale listings from BizQuest. This actor collects comprehensive business listing data, including pricing, cash flow, financials, location details, and broker contact information. It's designed for business brokers, investors, and entrepreneurs who want structured acquisition data without manual browsing. So, how does it work? On the actor page, you just have to input the specific filters. For example, the location, which is California. For the industry, you can select the various types. If you don't know them for sure, you can check them out on the BizQuest page. You input a minimum price, a maximum price. You can also input a minimum cash flow. And remember, if you leave it empty, it'll just choose all available options. You choose the maximum number of items, and then you click Run. We'll give the actor a few seconds so it brings up the data. After about a minute, the run will finish, and the results will appear in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents a business listing with pricing, cash flow, industry, location information, and more. Now, all this information can be exported to a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, which can help you support deal sourcing, market analysis, or any internal acquisition workflows. This scraper is ideal for business brokers, investors, and entrepreneurs who want structured, up-to-date BizQuest data without manual searching. And remember, if you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, please leave us a review. Thank you.